Lemon is too acidic for your face, and toothpaste is for your teeth. Your skin has refused to get better even with the several products you are using, and it could be that you are practicing one or more of these habits. Today, I'm going to break down some habits that may silently be ruining your skin. The first one on our list is touching your face. Your hands contain several bacteria, oils, and dirt. You touch everywhere, you play around, and then your hands are always on your face when you're thinking, when you're studying, or just walking around. The second one on our list is changing our pillowcases. You use one pillowcase for 1 month, you don't change your bed sheets. Your pillowcase contains all the dirt for that month, all the makeup, all the sweat, all the oils, all the dirt. So your face is literally sleeping in its own nest. Change your pillowcase as often as you can. 5 to 7 days is okay. The third one is exfoliating. It doesn't make your skin shine faster or better. It destroys your barrier. It leads to irritation, hypersensitivity, and more breakouts. The fourth one is using hot water on your face. Hot water on your face strips you of your natural oil, leading to dry skin and irritation, which leads to your skin producing more oil for compensation, which leads to more breakouts. Number five, using too many products. In one day, you are using serum, vitamin C, that. You are not allowing your face or your skin to breathe. Use just 2 or 3 products in a day and let your skin appreciate you. Number six, picking at your pimples. It may feel satisfying, but it pushes the bacteria inward, leading to more breakouts, dark spots, and even scars. Use pimple patches or leave it alone. Number seven, using lemon or toothpaste on your face. Lemon is too acidic for your face, and toothpaste is for your teeth. Number eight, not moisturizing because you have oily skin. People with oily skin don't want to overshine, but not moisturizing your skin will lead to dry skin, which makes your skin to produce more oil to compensate for not moisturizing, which may lead to acne. You can use lightweight or oil-free moisturizers. Number nine, sleeping with makeup is the fastest way to clog your pores. They mix with sweat and bacteria to suffocate your skin. Always clean your makeup before you sleep. Last but not least, more products is not equals to better skin. Give your skin time. Stop changing your skincare after 2 or 3 days. Give your skin product 4 to 6 weeks to show results. An extra one, get a face towel. You can't use one towel for your whole body and still be using it for your face and expect your face to be better. Your skin improvements may not necessarily be about the skin products, but about the habits. Fix your habits and let's see if there's any improvements. See you in the next video. Bye.